Okay, guys, here's the screencast for Thursday the 10th in creative writing. Pretty straightforward day. The first thing that's worth mentioning is we decided to move some things back since we're not actually meeting as a class tomorrow. The class opted for tomorrow to be a study hall slash work day, and so what that means is that today is for writing your descriptive piece, tomorrow is for writing your descriptive piece. Pop into office hours between 11 and 11:30 if you have any questions, and then your descriptive piece as a rough draft will be due on Monday. It's that day that we'll actually do editing of the piece, and then we'll finalize everything for the portfolio submission on Tuesday, which we moved back a day. So if you scroll down to the portfolio number 1, you're going to see the description piece right at the very end here. This is the workshop that we'll use on Monday. This is the actual descriptive piece that you should be able to have a copy of your own to write your document here. Go ahead and put a name, creative title, and then you go ahead and insert your story just beneath there. Again, today and tomorrow work time for that, and just be sure that by Tuesday you have finished everything that you plan on finishing for the first portfolio. That's kind of when the unit wraps up, if you will, and late work no longer will be all that accepted. So let me know if questions. Otherwise, have a great day. Thanks for your time.